Hello, my name is Randy, and today we're going to talk about the installation of the new Auto Vibe monitoring system from Minnich Manufacturing. It's really a simple plug-and-play system. It's really nice. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your monitor, you're going to mount it to the railing on the paver. This bracket, you can loosen it and swivel it, and you can actually open it up far enough to remove this monitor at the end of the day paving and put it in a nice safe spot. On the controller brackets here, really nice system. It's all powder coated, lasts in the weather a long time. It basically just hangs on the top of the railing. And then we have a U-bolt down here that you can bolt it into the bottom rail of the railing on the paver. Makes it nice and secure. Really a neat system. For the main harness going in the back of the monitor, there is no power switch on this monitor. So once it's hooked up to 24 volts, it's going to be on all the time. So we have two connections here. You cannot get them in the wrong order, as gray goes to gray and black goes to black on this end. And then we have this color-coded orange to orange here, and then orange to orange over on our slave and master bracket. Another thing we have here is you'll have two power cables on the 24 vibrator system. And you got this color-coded red to red. Our power cables are color-coded red to red. And then we are labeled all the other end of it to where you hook it up. Now, since there is no key switch or no on and off switch on the monitor, well, what you need to do is you need to hook this up to a keyed switch side of the paver. So if I turn the key switch off on the paver, that'll stop the power going to your monitor. These are fused. Really nice little safety feature in there to create any damages if we get some voltage spikes or anything, so everything is fused. Another power cable we have will go directly to the battery. It is also fused and it is labeled positive orange, negative black. Also color coded to get hooked up green to green. Over here, this is a real-time cable, always hot, straight to the battery. And what that does, that keeps power constantly to your real-time clock inside this slave and master system here. And that keeps like your date and time and any information you have in there as far as like logging data and stuff like that. So this is why this one needs to go straight to the battery. Everything's color coded nice. If you have the speed wheel option, the other end of this cable will be purple. It'll be just like this. Plug your purple into there, purple to purple. Green to green for your real time. Yellow to yellow for your temperature humidity sensor if you have that option. If you don't have this option, we will have this nice and neatly tucked up in there along with the speed wheel option. If you don't have it, we'll have it tucked up in there and out of the way. That is about it. If you have a 48 vibe system, what will happen is you'll have another hanger. It looks just like this. And the cable will be mounted to that one, and it'll come over and go gray to gray. So you can't mess that up either. One other thing we have here too then, on your sensors to plug in from your vibrators, everything is labeled, sensor 5, sensor 4, and so on. This system here will do 24 vibrators, and everything is labeled. So if I plug a vibrator into sensor 8, that's where it's going to read out at on the monitor, to be sensor 8. Really nice, straightforward system, really easy to install. Pretty much we feel it's going to be plug and play. So thank you for watching. Enjoy your new Auto Vibe system. Thank you.